everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a full detailed review of the Flower Nose Shine Lipstick collection. So this one comes in 9 colors, and just a heads up, I only have 8 colors. However, I will put like close-up video of my friend Judy for one of the color. But I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much to Judy, because she sent me like 99% of the Flower Nose Swan Ballet collection. So this is my first part. I'm going to do a lipstick review first, and then after that the next video will probably be like the whole shebang. But I just really appreciate Judy. I'm so grateful for her that she decided to send this to me. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Flower Nose is always amazing with the packaging. Like, they put so much thought into it, and it's just like the most gorgeous like product you will ever keep for like in terms of the packaging. Even the quality of the product is just superb. It comes in 9 colors, but it has 3 different color packaging. 1 to 3 you have like the pink one, and then 4 to 6 you have the blue, and then 7 to 9 you have the white. But again, it's just different color, but in terms of the detail, the embossment is all just it's pretty much the same. But again, they are just so gorgeous to look. It is a little bit heavy, but you know, like, I mean, look at the detail of this is just amazing. With the Shine lipstick, it's supposed to give you this sheer and satin finish. It has this very like jelly balm texture, and the way I call it is like a melted lipstick. When you put it on, it feels very balmy. It feels like it just melts on your lips, which I think is beautiful, and it's just very comfortable for those who have really dry lips like me. It doesn't really turn matte at the end of the day. It does last quite a decent amount of time. However, the shine will disappear later on. So I just wanted to talk about the texture a little bit. Let's talk about the pink color packaging first, which consists of 1 to 3, and this one have more of a warm peachy pink shade. So let's get started with B01. B01 is called Little Star, and I find that this is much more of a pinky, nudie, beigey shade. It's probably the lightest shade in this collection, and it has like this peachy undertone to it as well, which I think is actually very beautiful. Next one is B02 called Mary Jane, and I find that this is a little bit darker than Little Star B01, and I find that this is more of a muted brown shade, which I think is really beautiful, and it just looks really warm. So this is probably my favorite one compared to B01. Next is B03, and I find that again is very similar. It has this peachy undertone to it. It's much more nudie as well, but this one is Judy's favorite, so I'm going to put her clip because I actually haven't seen it in real life, but in her video I can see it's definitely a little bit darker than B01, which I think is actually gorgeous. Going to the blue packaging, so this one has B04 to B06. So this one consists of more of like a pink undertone, beigey undertone as well. B04 is called Silver Moon, and this one is definitely my MLBB, because when I put this on, it's definitely my lip color but better. Okay, so I don't see any like extra pigmentation. I don't see like it's nothing special, but special at the same time, because if I just want to wear something and I don't want to think about it, I don't want to decide what lipstick color I want to wear, this would be it, because I feel like it gives a little bit of color or emphasize my lip color a little bit more, and it's just a very gorgeous shade, and I absolutely love this one. Next is B05, and I find that this is more of a coral undertone, and so it has like a bit of a combination of coral and orangey shade as well. And B06 is called Blue Ribbon, and this is like a sakura pink shade. It's probably the brightest pink in this collection, or like the brightest color in this collection, but it's a beautiful bright pink shade. And we go on to the white packaging, and this one is leaning towards much more of that red undertone shades. So let's get started with B07, which is called Ballet Dream, and I find that this is a very beautiful warm cherry red shade, which is very gorgeous. Then we have B08, which is called Dancing Shoes, and I find that this is definitely brighter than B07 Ballet Dream, but again, this have a combination of red and brown undertone as well. Last but not least is B09 Midsummer Night, and this one I find that it's focusing more on that brown undertone, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It has that brown red undertone to it, but not that obvious, and so you see that brown just overpowering this whole combo, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. So if I have to pick like my top 3 from all of this, I would say my favorite one would be B04 Silver Moon. Then it would be B09 Midsummer Night, and my third one would probably be the B06 Blue Ribbon, because it's just so unique as is a beautiful pink shade as well. So overall, I'm actually very impressed in terms of the pigmentation, the the comfort on the lips as well, and I mean the packaging is like on point. So I definitely do recommend this to you guys if you guys haven't tried any of the flower nose lipstick. But again, from what I know, this is a new formula for the flower nose collection, so definitely give this a try. If you guys are interested, comment down below which color you're thinking of getting. I would love to know, and I hope you guys will stay tuned for my part 2. But thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you Judy for sending this to me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.